Hey guys, it's Mr. Gossam. We're going over distributed property, combining like terms, and then both of them together today. So let's start with distributed property. You start out with the number that's in the front. We take this number and you distribute it to each term inside of the parentheses. So we have -6 times 3x, which is -18x. And then you have -6 times -11. So you'll have the -11 times -6, which is +66. And then these are different terms. They're not the same, so we leave them as is. And that would be the answer to that question. So that's distributed property. So now let's move to combining like terms. So if I'm combining like terms, I look at the terms that are alike, which are the x's. So we have 8x and you have plus 3x. So how many x's would that be? It would be 11x. So we are finished with the x's. Then we move to the numbers, which would be -5 minus 3, which would be -8. And then again, just like distributed property, we end, or we cannot combine like terms because these terms are not alike. So that would be your final answer. Then we combine these two into the last one, which is, we distribute first. So you take the 9, you would distribute just like what we did in the very beginning. Okay, so 9 times 2, which was 18. Don't forget your x. 9 times -1 is -9. And then since this is not in the parentheses, you do not have to distribute to it. So we just drop these down. Plus 3x minus 8. So now we are combining like terms. So we have our x's that are the same, that are like terms. So 18 plus 3, which is 21x. And then you have -9, and you take 8 away from that, so you go further negative into -17. And now you know more.